Rastafari. Come again. Jah, blessed be his holy name. He's worthy to be praised. Jah is worthy to be praised. Yeah. Then I still in the Exabir Masagan. Jah Rastafari. Doom doo doo doom doo, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. Ooh, if the shepherd's asleep, my son, the sheep will have gone astray. Everyone's taken to their own way, and I can see the wolves and the leopards encamped around since yesterday. Man should know that the wicked now play. From the pages of old, I see men always want to take control. Envious greed I see in their eyes, but the Father of love protects me. I'm safely lying in his fold, singing his praise while the good times roll. I'm walking on the right road. Pull up, come again. Come again, come again. Rastafari. This is how we start the thing. This is how we consecrate the thing. Blessing. Oh na, oh na 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 na. Na 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 na. All Rasta people, big up yourself. Oh na 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 na. Listen. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on his throne. Yeah, yeah. In my house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari sit up on his throne. Yeah, yeah. Just sit up on the seat of justice, with his eyes golden green, wrapped around his golden throne. In my arms, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari. Yeah. You don't want to get me started, you know. Come. Ooh, na 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 na. His mercy endure it for me. Let's rise and shine and give Jah the glory. Ooh, na 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 na. His mercy endure it for me. Let's rise and shine and give Jah the glories. His mercy endure it for me. Make me free like the birds in the trees. Let us sing and shout his praises forever, so the world can see. Give thanks and praise to his majesty, knowing that he is the conquering lion, and he can set you free. Just children, open your eyes and see. Come again. Oh, na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Fire up the bud, man. Listen. You seek of only vanity, and no love for humanity shall fade away. Na 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 na. It's mercy and you seek of only vanity, and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't know if you know this one, it's brand new. When the war is over, people live better. When the oh no 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 no. Ooh, when the war is over, people live better. When the friction is gone, there's no need for a loud alarm. Real good vibes, real feeling, there's no double dealing. No, no, righteousness will come down. I have to spend through this sing along. There's a price to pay, all wickedness run away. We can't keep a good man down, my love for Jah is profound. Enemies will see, everyone will see. All praises to his majesty. Come again, man. Come again. This rhythm is so nice, I recorded it 3 times. Yeah. Some put their trust in chariots and horses. Yeah. I lift my eyes onto the hills. Now, now. I never end in love of Jah works I'm keeping. Now, yeah. I'm living according to his will. He promised to keep me. His presence is all around. The wicked may fight me, they can't get me chained and bound. Jah love and his goodness and mercy will never let me down. No, no. Ladies, I just can't let you go. Oh no, 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 not my baby. We were only strangers in the night, getting to know each other, the mood was right. Strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainer's singing a song, I hold the feeling oh so strong. Never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head, oh what a big surprise. But there are people all around who try to take a love from me. No, 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 they don't seem to realize this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I looked in her eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. Now the ladies realize I am no longer solo, got you by my side. And this new love I will treasure. I'll be faithful and true till the day I die. And when people criticize, we will hold on to love, Jah be our guide. And if I had to do it over, it would have to be you, girl, no one else, no one else. Ooh, na 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 na. No, no, no. Sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. If you could see what I'm really feeling, then you would know what I'm talking about. Ooh, na-na-na-na-na-na. No, no, no. Sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. If you could see what I'm really feeling, then you would know what I'm talking about. Woman, you gave my life new meaning. You make me feel like singing and shout for you, baby. Once before I was a rover. Before I met you, I was running about. But now I've got a new sense of purpose. Now I feel like running my mouth. I wanna sing sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. Got to find out the reason why. Shooby-dooby-doo, shooby-dooby-doo. I'm a toad. Consider me, baby. Consider me. Na-na-na. I know you're trying to be a big girl and keep the tears from your eyes. No, no, baby. But oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. Na 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 na.
Wheel out, Glen Washington. Sing me, boss.
Now tell him, man. Consider me, baby. Consider me. Na na na. I know you're trying to be a big girl and keep your tears from your eyes. No, no, baby. But oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. Na 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 na. Oh, little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 please consider me. Ooh, oh, now all of your friends have left you all alone. Oh, and all the good times you had with them are gone. Yeah. Na 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 na. But little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 darling. We got too many songs. I just can't live without you. No, no, remember this one? Ooh, no, many men will try to tell you bad things about me. Oh, baby, let them try. I just can't live without you. No, no, ooh, no, many men will try to tell you bad things about me. Oh, baby, let them try. I know one day the lust will die. Then there would be no cause or reason for you to doubt me. Cause what I feel is real. The love that I have is yours, signed and sealed. Now I'm building my whole wide world around you. Baby, here's my request from you. Baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. Please don't take my sweetness for weakness. No, baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. No, no, baby. Cause our future depends on you. And no one else will do. Ooh. And every breath I take, I'll take another one. Because I want you in my life. No, baby. Every song I sing, I'll be singing with feelings about you. With feelings of love so pure and true. There is no way I can live my life without you, baby. But this I desire from you. Please don't take my kindness for weakness. No, baby, don't take my sweetness for weakness. Oh my gosh. Ooh. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If being right Hold on. Na 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 na. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If being right means being without you, I'd rather be alone doing life. Your mom and daddy says it's a shame, it's a don't. But long as I got you by my side, I don't care what people say. Your friends tell you it's no future in love and the married man. If I can see you when I want, I'll see you when I can. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Am I wrong to fall so deeply in love with you, knowing I got a wife and 2 little children depending on me too? Am I wrong to hunger for the gentleness of your touch, knowing I got someone else at home who needs me just as much? And are you wrong to give your love to a married man? And am I wrong for trying to hold on to the best thing I ever had? Loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Loving you is wrong. Give it to it. When true love keeps holding on and on and on and on and on and on, I just can't fight this feeling. I'm torn between 2 lovers and I can't let go. To have my cake and eat it too. I'm so confused and I don't want to lose. No, no, no. But this feeling's got me getting tired. And I can't be in 2 places, not at the same time. Sometimes I wanna run away. Oh, how I wished it was yesterday, baby. But true love keeps holding on and on and on and on and on and on. True love keeps holding on and on and on and on and on and on. Baby, remember them tuna? What? Remember them tuna? Coming from the country with my bag of Cali, talk up on a DC, him want to hold me. Don't you run now, youth man, you never get away. Only if you slip you will slide, and if you run you can't hide. Cause I've got a big lock, locked on my hip now, hey. Don't you touch my eyes yet. Love is gonna show them now. We're gonna show them love. No, 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 no. They told me you were gonna let me down. Told me how you played around with every single guy in town. But one thing they don't know, how much I love you so, woman of my destiny, empress so right for me. People saying we were never meant to be, but I get to stand and see the blessings of His Majesty. Na, na. Oh, you slow it down, you'll always wear my crown, woman of my destiny, empress so right for me. I see you as the greater part of me now, for all to see, living in harmony. When you try to put you down, you will always wear my crown, woman of my destiny. I need one more time in your life. I've got to have a fighting chance to make things right. No, no, no. Remove all the heartache and strife. And right now all I'm thinking of is kiss and wife. 2 drops of love on me, no baby, I can't get free. Can't believe I'm not dreaming, this is reality. There's never a time I'm thinking that I don't think of you, baby. So deeply in love I'm sinking, I don't know what to do. To the bridge now, this love is so high, we can't get over it, no, no. With feeling so high, we can't get around. When we trust in the powers of the Most High, we'll be satisfied. Forsaking all confusions mixed with foolish pride. For the rest of my years I'll be here, standing by your side, baby. And always doing good to those who would take me for a ride. Love is so high, we can't get over it, no, no. Ooh, na, 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 na.
This one is for all the single mothers in the place, y'all.
Na, na, na.
Listen.
My love belongs to you, girl. Don't you know we were made for each other? What I'm saying to you is true, girl. I couldn't give my love to no other, no, no. Now when the rain is falling and my sun won't shine, on the phone I am calling, I got you on my mind, hoping I can get you online. Those other girls that are calling can't get me on the phone. Oh, na 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 na.
Introducing to you and yours.
One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days we will meet again with people from different nations. One of these fine days we're gonna meet again in peace and harmony. One of these days we will meet again. One name, one destiny. I'm pressing on right now to the mark of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I won't worry because the wicked is falling. Now the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling. Though I see tribulation and strife, forever his praises I'm singing. One of
Bounce it down low. Bounce it down low. I don't want to take up too much of your time because I can sing all night. 40 albums later. Listen.
That's the sound of a man working on the chain. Yeah, yeah. That's the sound of a man working on the chain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the sound of a man working on the chain. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's the sound of.
Let me really make you want to sing something like this. Listen.
It sure sound funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. It seemed to me, girl, you know I don't know I can. Yeah. You see, I beg, stole, and I borrow. That's why I'm easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Why I'm easy. Easy like.
Everybody may make you want to sing songs like it. Listen.
Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't need no checkbook in your broken heart. It's members only.
One of these days.
Stop it. I don't say Glen Washington too greedy because he wants to stay all night. I don't say it go. We just have a whole tune and love to sing. I'm going to introduce this one to you and leave you alone. This one, me and my wife going to sing this one. Right, baby?
Hold on a second. Hold on. 1 minute. Kingston, Jamaica. I'm from St. Elizabeth, all right? But I want to feel the love from Kingston. Can I have some love from y'all? I'm not feeling the love. Can I get some more love?
Because we love you.
Thank you. All right. So this one is for the lovers in the house. And if you're not a lover, find you a lover. This one is dedicated to you all.
Go ahead.
I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me.
You say hold it.
Don't take this heaven from one. If you must cling to someone now and forever, let it be me.
Sing, baby.
Each time we meet love, I find complete love.
Oh, without your sweet love, what would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me.
I'm just gonna let you so you can hold your lady and waltz with her. Okay. Let it be me. Each time we meet love, I find complete love.
Oh, without your sweet love, Jackie, what would life be? Don't ever leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Yes, Glen Washington, hold on there, Glen. Ladies and gentlemen, these people are years me know them America. Zane, Glen Washington, on the behalf of O'Neill famous Peter Metro, Major Mackerel, and the original Dancehall Thursday crew, we're glad to have you here. It's a pleasure. Give the man a round of applause.